What's up, buds? Getting ready for Sloss Drone Derby. We just got another prize package from Funkolius Productions. If you don't know Funkolius, you should. Funkolius has got tons of frames out on their site. Their site is homesliced3d.com, and he does a ton of 3D printing, CNC carbon work, and not just drone stuff. There's litho panes and all sorts of goodies out there. But you know this is a different type of frame company when you check the site, because the site is focused on tuning. There's a master multiplier calculator. Heck, when we got the frame in the mail, they gave us setup and tuning instructions. This is something I don't normally see from the Chinese manufacturers, but here we go. We got a one-man shop based out of the United States, and we get them going above and beyond. Check this frame out. Got a nice locking pattern here. I can't pull the arms right now because I'm holding the camera, but I have got no arm slop. 3D prints look really nice. He's printing on smooth plates, multicolor. Love it. Really, really slick kits. Not only do we have this setup for the 04 Pro, but there's a whole second setup here with more carbon fiber and inserts for 03 setup. Looks like motor screws and everything, and a pile of these cool little keychains. They're GPU flexible and really, really fun to feel. Thank you so much, Funkolius. Oh, if you don't know who Funkolius is, check out Quad Mafia's Omerta. He was the main designer behind that frame as well, and I think he's got some influences in Odyssey aerials as well. Check it out. This is Chris Booth's shop, Funkolius Productions, and you can check them at homesliced3d.com.